How to give family members or others access to your Palm Vault. After you have spent time and effort adding information to your family emergency network, it's time to add the members of your family that you want to have access to the network. We'll start by opening the Palm Vault. When you are signed in and you're on the home page, observe the logos to the left. The second logo represents a person with smaller persons adjacent. Click on this logo. In the top menu bar, you see a highlighted button, New User. Click it. Under Display Name, type in the name of the person to be added. Now, type in a username. At least 6 characters, no spaces. Capitalization, if it's used, must always be used by the user. If a username is refused, that means that someone else in the system already uses this username, so you have to choose a different one. It's a safety measure. Place your new user's email address. The checkmark below indicates that as soon as you have set up the new user, that person will receive an email from you with the new username and password immediately. If you do not want to let your family member know about the emergency network yet, uncheck this box. Under Password, you will want to choose your own password to begin with. However, the user can change to any password of their liking as soon as they are set up. The choice by the user has no impact on your ability to terminate access to that user at any time you want. It's just a convenience to the new user to choose a password of their liking. Now we will choose what folder access the new user will receive. Access is controlled exclusively by the directory that we grant access to. You will notice that the home directory is shown in gray. If you did not change this to some other choice, the user would have access to everything. So clearly, this choice is usually only made on behalf of a spouse or a total confidant to give them access to everything at the home menu. So let's actively choose what we do want our new user to have access to. Click on the Change Folder button. Click on the plus sign next to the word Home. You will now see the primary benefits listed. In this case, we're going to be granting access to the Family Emergency Network benefit. So click the plus sign next to it. Now you will see a full list of the situations listed under the Family Emergency Network. There are no accounts such as investments or wills, retirement plans, and such. The only documents in the emergency network relate to the very first stages of an emergency, the important information that has to be referenced instantly or within a few hours of a situation. So we will choose the family network highlighted in blue, and then we will click on the Update button below. Now we see the screen that gives us the choices about what the user can do inside the emergency network. Your choices include adding or downloading documents, view only, delete documents, or choose all. Make your choice and then create User.